All right, Riff Fitness. All right, thanks so much for your question, and thanks for letting me get back to you. So, I'm in New York City, so I don't know where you're at. You're in Japan, actually. Um, I guess I forgot how to say hello in Japan in Japanese. Sorry about that. All right, so basically, let's see your sports. But then over here you got a 315 number. So you want to know about our keyword ranking plan. All right, so we have a couple of different services. One is our SEO plan, another one is our on page, another one is our keyword research, and then I also even have a consulting one. So to kind of give you an idea of what we generally do, when we give you a plan, what we do is we go through your sites, and then, so for example, here's one that I just finished doing in the CBD space, and we figure out what your current domain authority is, how many keywords you currently have, and then what are some other words that have potential for you. And then in addition to that, we also give you topics, because just understanding keywords is really not the main thing today. That you really need to know is understanding a keyword, and then the questions that people associate with that word is going to be very important. As you can see, there's people asking a lot of questions, and they also get search volume. So there's actually two ways you can generate traffic to your site. Is one is showing up for the keyword, right? And I'll show you another one here. This is, they do spas, right? Like hot tubs and stuff like that. One is you could show up for the term. And then the other one is you show up when people are actually asking a question. They're both really powerful, because the only way you really show up for the term is by writing content. It's all content based, the algorithm right now. So video content, written content, image content, audio content. You have to basically pump out content. So and you can see this client here has 0. This client here had 2 sites, so we were able to direct them in, like, okay, here, this site will probably be the better one to get started with. With your site, you have a great site. I mean, you have 49 domain authority, domain rating. You have 6,900 keywords. So you definitely are getting traffic. Okay. So, I guess my main question, and you're buying some traffic. So you're doing a blended campaign. This right here is, see if I could figure, what are you doing over here? Clearance workouts. Okay, so you're selling equipment, which it's a great market during the pandemic. I think it's still going to be a great market. I mean, I'm building a home gym myself too, so I think people are just, kind of want to be able to like work out whenever. I usually work out at night, to be honest. So okay, so workout equipment, and then so the first thing that I would do is I would try to figure out, okay, what are you currently ranking for? Right, so let's take a look at your words. You have a domain authority of 49, which means you could rank for a lot of good words. If you take a look at what you're ranking for right now, get this thing to, all right, you could see that right away, and this is where people really need to understand how these numbers play a big role. Domain rating of your website and keyword difficulty. Not everybody, 99% of the SEO salespeople out there, because that's what I call them, they're just trying to sell you SEO. I'm an SEO expert and a professional. I try to explain to you how it works so that you're more educated on the process. So you see over here, all these keyword difficulties are 0s, 6. So right now, and I mean, bench exercise chart, you're ranking for this weight bench exercise chart. Rift power cage, well, this is a branded term. You can see it's 0. Hand grip exercise. So you're ranking, and it seems like you're using this content technique already. So you know how this works. Yeah, you're putting this should be linking to your hand grips, right? Hand grips. Nope. So that if you're this should be linking to your hand grips. If you're hyperlinking to hand grips, should go to a hand grip product. Okay. These right here. And this image also should link to that. So this seems to have some content on here. It's not 100% well optimized, but I could show you how to do it. Hand grip exercises. I'm trying to find a good weight bench exercises. Workout hand grips. Okay, so this one, 150. Seems like maybe you're on the first page. Let's see if that's true. What was it? Rift Sports. Yeah, you're right here. Okay, and how are you showing up over here? This blog. Okay, so what I do in my keyword research, and you could pick any one of them. I mean, you can see I'm going to give you like 1,000 of the best words to go after. I'm going to highlight, okay, these are the words you should be going after. I'm going to give you a content calendar, how you should lay it out. I'm also going to give you a link building plan. And then I'm going to analyze your words, your competitors' words, 3 of your competitors. So that's real. You're going to be able to see, okay, what are they ranking for? And we get to discover a lot of keywords that maybe you don't know about that they've already done the work on. So, so what I would say on any one of my services, if we're looking at the keyword research, I mean, this one right here, the 225, really, I give you like a ton of, I do the audit and 4 competitors. This one, if you want to do 6, this one, if you just want to do 3, this is usually my best keyword research one, and where I kind of give you a video and everything like that. So, so hopefully that answers your question. And I will definitely, if you're getting stuff to rank like this, I can definitely help you optimize this better afterwards. But this is just a quick example. So hopefully that helps you. I would say this one, the better keyword research would be the best one for you to kind of pick. And since you have this, you have a lot of stuff. 1, 2, 3, gym package, bars, bars and plates, weights. I mean, if you want me to go through all of these, I would say then probably my premium service is going to be what you're going to need to order. Because that's, I'll be able to go through, this is going to take some time to go through. Okay, power cage. What are the keywords for power cage? Right? Like, power cage. All right, here goes power cage, but here goes all the other keywords, and you're actually in one of them. So you got regular power cage, which has a domain rating of 39. This is really good. And you actually have this as one of your main keywords. So this page should be targeted for power cage. There's something you really need to do with the title tag. I could explain how to do that. And then you have lat pull down machine on here also. So I would say you got to make the lat pull down a different page, because that's a different product than a power cage. People that are looking for power cages, aren't necessarily looking for lat pull downs. So you got to make sure to categorize your products correctly. I mean, it looks like you're working with somebody. If not, then if you're doing this on your own, you definitely know what you're doing. And you're buying some traffic. So you're probably looking at what converts in PPC and then using that for keywords. That's usually what a blended campaign does. But But yeah, I would say if you really want me to go into, and you can see I get questions all day long. Let's do this premium one. Excuse me, and I'll be able to go through your site. You know, power cage, bench cables, and give you like, okay, here's the best keywords for benches. Here's the best keywords for cables. Gym packages. Yeah. So, and then afterwards, probably jump on the phone if you're here, if this is your number, and answer any questions. So, hopefully that helps. But I would say a good fit for you would be my best keyword research for $295, and I'll give you a complete plan. So, thanks so much. Hopefully this helps, and look forward to working.